Oh, thank you, Obi Mane, worldwide. Thank you, Mr. Mike Arnold. Thank you for being here today with us. My name is Ikechukwu, meaning power of God, but I'm called 12 covenant stones, 12 stones, because indeed I believe I am a covenant child. I was born a Biafran child. I was born in Haiti camp during the Biafran genocide,
Wow.
and can say I'm born in a million survivor because at about that, a million or more children perished while the world was watching, and it's still the same drama lingering. So personally, I'm based in Hamburg. I'm a Pan-Africanist. I'm also a founder of a Pan-African Sports and Culture Club for Integration called New Rangers. Our slogan says one for all and all for one. In German, we say Eine for alle, alle for eine. So, and it's my delight. And I've been watching our friend here, Mr. Mike Arnold. I see him one spirit of one for all, and all for one. That is humanity for religion. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And like today is Nkwo Day, that is the air day. We call it the day of the air. Let the air of wisdom, knowledge, and power. Let the air of positive energy. Let the virtue that we are going to utter here go forth. Like our God promised in the beginning, same yesterday, today, and forever. So we uphold His word, but then before the day for us to glorify it. Thank you, my people, for joining us.
It's my pleasure to be here. I'm highly honored to be received in such a way. Thank you, and God bless you.